Hi friends, welcome back. Till now we have seen all the annotations available in TestNG. We are clear with that, and also we discussed a couple of attributes related to test. Okay. Today we will see how to pass parameters from testng.xml file. We know that we can pass parameters or we can pass test data from data provider. We discussed it clearly with the 3-4 sessions. Today we will see how I can pass parameter from my XML file. Okay. Now let's create a simple class here. I'm creating a simple class. Come on. And name is test case 11. Okay. So this is my class. Fine. So I'm just giving at the rate of test because I'm just going to create a one test. Okay. And here is my public void verify login. Okay, I'm just trying to verify my login functionality. We know that to log in I need a username, okay, and I need a password. So what I'm thinking here is, instead of writing the values straight away here itself, I'm expecting, can't I pass these things from my testng.xml file so that I can use here. Okay, we will try that, how we can pass the values and how we can use here. Clear? Now I'm saying, hey, I will give you two variables called string username, okay, and string password. So two things I need to pass, string username and password. So how I can pass these two and how can use here. Let's see, simple. And what is my class here? And this is my class. And what is the name of my class here? Cool. So I just provided my class here, and if I want to pass parameters also. Okay, so how I can pass parameters? So here we can pass parameter in different levels. I can pass parameter at the test level also, even at the class level also. Okay, now let's say if I pass here the parameters, it becomes a specific to this particular class. Now I'm just saying that username, this is my name. Okay, what is the actual username? Let's say Murali. Okay, and let's say time being we will use only one parameter here. Fine. So we can add a number of parameters, no problem. And I'm saying that I'm giving you username. Okay, now let's come here. Clearly understood that this particular thing are this particular parameters I inserted inside a class. Okay, so for this test what I am saying that you will going to get the parameters. Okay, and what is the parameter name I am going to get here? Okay, I am going to get the parameter here is user name. So the same username I am passing here and use it. Okay, let's print out this. Okay, now what I am doing here is I am running from here. See, Murali is printed because this is the value. I just call this parameter. Clear? Now what we will do here is we will have one more class. Okay, so this is a one more class, let's say. Okay, and let's take any other class. This is a class 10. Okay, now I will change name to the class 10, and for this class 10 I am not providing any parameters. Okay, and here is username is there, right? I'm just trying to use it. Okay, I'm just saying you used to get the parameter. Okay, what is the name of that parameter? User name. So I'm saying that you are going to get the parameter. Okay, good. String username. Okay, simply print that. Fine. Okay, so let's run this and we'll discuss what happens. See, one is passed and one is failed. Why? The test requires some parameters, right? But they are saying that you are not passed. Why? Because I clearly said here I'm just giving the parameters inside a class. Okay, so this is specific to the class, and if you want to use the parameter in many tests or in many classes, then what we need to do, same thing only, we need to place at the below of your test, so that these classes, all these classes now have access to this parameter and they can use it. Okay, now we have two classes, right? And this class, one method is require this particular parameter, and in this class one more method is there which require this particular parameter. Okay, now I am running the same testng.xml file. Now see, all are passed. Okay, so why all are passed? Because now this parameter have access. Previously we placed inside a class. Okay, so parameter at the suite level you can, at the test level or at the class level. Okay, we can mention the parameters and depend upon our requirement we can use it. Okay, we can have a number of parameters. So this is the functionality of the parameters. So we can add a simple parameter tag here and provide the name and the value, and inside your class you just collect that parameter and utilize inside your method. So this is how we can use it. Clear? Any questions here?